Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange at Embedded World 2024. I'm here with Pierre on EP's booth, and it is great to see these in real life because I've written about them so many times. We've talked about them loads, but it's great to finally see them. So, Pierre, I guess these are the new EVKs for EP's new chips that you presented at CES, are they?
Yeah. So we have 3 new PMIC that we introduced at CES of Las Vegas. The first one is the IM3920, is this one. So this one, there is 2 independent input to harvest from 2 sources. There is the possibility to supply an application and have the possibility to have a backup solution like a USB charger. We have an I2C communication to have a lot of information around the PMIC. That's for the first PMIC. And after we have 2 other ones, the IM00920 and the 10920. Those ones are some simple PMIC with boost converter to charge the storage element, a buck converter to supply the application, and the 5-volt CCCV charger for the backup solution. So there is some small EVK like this one that you can integrate inside your device just to make a proof of concept, for example. That's quite small, a small inductor. There is some external component on it, and you can integrate in some device like remote control, keyboard, mouse, electronic shelf label. There is also some sensor node, for example. So there is a lot of application where you can try to integrate energy harvesting on it.
Cool. So just to clarify for our audience, what energy harvesting sources do each of these 3 chipsets serve?
Yeah. So this one you can have solar, thermal, vibration, all the kind of source.
Cool.
You can connect on the 3920. For the 2 other one, it's more for light and solar energy harvesting. Those ones, yeah.
Cool. And I seem to remember when I'm writing about EP's things, there's very, very few components that you actually need as interface components. So are those those are all already on the board? And then in terms of the pins on the side, what have you got for connecting to the rest of your system?
Exactly. To make energy harvesting, you need 3 components, let's say. The first one is the harvester, which is the PV cell, for example, or the thermoelectric generator, the antenna for the RF energy harvesting, the piezo for the vibration.
Yeah.
You need the PMIC to extract the maximum power from this harvester. And the last component is the storage element, because when the energy is not available on the environment, like during the night, there is no luminosity.
Yeah.
So you need to keep the system alive. So there is a storage element that you need to have on the system to keep the system alive when the energy is not available.
Cool. So these are obviously the evaluation boards. What applications can you take these and put them in and try out energy harvesting to make a greener IoT? Yep.
So you can use this one on remote control, keyboard, mouse, electronic shelf label, and sensor application. You can integrate those PMIC on all the products from the IoT. When you have a primary battery, you can replace this one by energy harvesting and make like a green device at the end.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?